Best wishes of the morning to class 12th. Warmly welcome to LFCS online class. Best friends, first unit test has been completed. So once again we should centralized, we should concentrate on the point of study and proceed our study. In this sequence, lesson third from first book Flamingo is going to be started. Deep Water, written by William Douglas. इस लेसन में राइटर अपनी फीलिंग को शेयर करता है. Deep water, by the title, it is understood very well. Deep water. It means in this session we are being convinced about feeling, thinking, whenever anyone in the water, and especially deep water. Every person fears this happening also occurs to the writer William Douglas. William Douglas ये अपनी ही फीलिंग बता रहा है. While he was 3 or 4 years old, his father took him near the pond. तालाब के पास उसको लेकर के जाते हैं. तो इसके पहले ओशन समुद्र के किनारे के जाते हैं, तालाब पार लेता है. Going there, writer was afraid too much, clinging to his father, but very strong wave, water wave came and knocked the child down. बच्चा पानी में गिर जाता है. आधा साथ में होते ही बच्चा फिर गिर जाता है. Water swept over him, swept over body. Child's heart was filled with the horror of water. Since the time a fear was created, a fear was set up in his mind for the water. However, जब बड़ा होता है, when he was older, decided to learn to swim. Who? The writer. वो स्विमिंग पूल को भी ज्वाइन करता है लोकल क्लब में. There also he got a terrifying experience. Why? A grown-up boy once picked him up and threw into the water. Deep water, deep side of the pool. Writer fought with water as best as he could, but fearful feeling filled in his mind. He was filled with terror. While all efforts failed, he tried to swim there, but he was unknown. He did not learn how to swim very well, but he used all his efforts. Finally he failed. Now all fear left him. When he was going to sleep, he felt in his mind fear. Everything blanked out. Very luckily, he was saved from drowning and brought out of the pool. But terror lasted with the writer for years. It spoiled all his way of fishing, boating, swimming. The writer happened to visit some famous water sports. Whenever he tried to put his foot into the water, he was shivered with fear. So he decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. Instructor was an very intelligent and experienced person. He made out of the writer a good and confident swimmer. Now he could swim very well, miles across big rivers and lakes. All his old fear had left him. Writer's experience unfolded to him a great truth. There is terror only in the fear of death. And in death there is peace. Therefore, all we have to do is to overcome fear itself. In this lesson, we come to know that we should overcome our fear. Then we will be able to do anything very well and get success. Now write summary in your own words. Tomorrow I will take a passage and explain line by line. Thanks. Have a nice day.